Now we move on to the second part of the show, which is to discuss the discouraged acts. Can you now briefly outline the discouraged acts during fasting during the month of Ramadan?
The acts which are discouraged during fasting can be divided into three categories. The first is acts that are discouraged, which are contrary to the Sunnah of fasting. Number two, acts which are discouraged during the month of Ramadan, which are otherwise also prohibited. Number three, the other acts which are discouraged during the month of Ramadan.
Dr. Zakir, could you just mention the acts which are discouraged, which are contrary to the Sunnah of fasting?
The acts which are discouraged and contrary to the Sunnah, besides the ones we said should be recommended, I won't repeat that. It's just the opposite. It is a person should not say the niyyah aloud while fasting. The niyyah, it should not be said aloud. Number two is a person should not eat excessively during iftar or in the night. Number three, a person should not get angry. Point number four is that people read the Taraweeh very fast. They rush through the Taraweeh. And point number five is people socialize during itikaf.
Which are the actions discouraged in Ramadan which are also prohibited otherwise? Could you say something about those actions?
The actions which are normally prohibited, and specifically during Ramadan also it's prohibited, it is backbiting and slandering, number one of the major sins. Number two is false speech and telling lies. Number three is verbal abuse and swearing. Number four is vulgar speech. Number five is rumor mongering and gossiping. Number six is false action. Number seven is listening to un-Islamic songs and music. Number eight is watching un-Islamic programs on the television and un-Islamic movies. Number nine is reading un-Islamic magazines and reading un-Islamic books. Number 10 is going to un-Islamic websites. Number 11 is wastage of food. And number 12 is extravagance and being spendthrift.